You are always in the right place at the right time. The best and the highest comes to you at every moment.
What if I tell you that you could make videos like this and upload it on YouTube in a few minutes? Crazy, right? So in this video I'm gonna take you through a complete and easy guide about how you can do this. But now it's the time for DG's tip of the day. This is about how to find YouTube ideas. Really endless amount of YouTube ideas in one click. I got you covered with a tool called answerthepublic.com. This is how the website looks like. So what you're gonna do is put a keyword or a topic here and press search. What's gonna happen here is it will start compiling search results from different sources. You can see all these questions gets populated from the idea of YouTube. It has got a lot of ideas about a specific keyword, and the more you scroll down the better you get. Just read the questions shown up here. You will get to know a lot of hidden questions that people are waiting to know the answers. It will give you the idea to change the way you look for getting content ideas. It has got a lot more features too. It has got endless amount of questions, prepositions and comparisons. You can even change the country location to specify your target audience and get to know what they're interested in. It will help you a lot even if you're a complete beginner or a professional. So,
let's get on, shall we?
Before creating a video like this, there are some prerequisites like free stock videos, which is easily available on the internet. In addition, we need a mobile or PC to edit them, and furthermore, it requires great passion to produce quality content for your YouTube channel. So first let's go over to this website. It's called Pexels. Now what we're gonna be doing is copying the different videos right on this website, and we're going to use this to create other videos. But don't worry, all of the content that we're going to be using on this tutorial is copyright free, so you don't have to worry about getting demonetized or run into any legal issues or anything. I've typed in the keyword drone footage, since that is how a lot of people resonate with freedom. You know, showing different landscapes, showing the water, showing the beach and different things like that. You can type in walks on the beach. You can have people doing that, but some of these have really cool backgrounds and different landscapes. But what is your content all about? If you go to YouTube, it's no surprise that inspirational and motivational type videos get thousands and even millions of views every single day. The creators of these videos are earning upwards to thousands of dollars every single day, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do the same. Let's take a look at this video. It has got 44 million views, and the channel name is Ben Lionel Scott.
What's stopping you? Are you too tired?
Let's copy it and check their analytics using a website called Social Blade. Let's go ahead and paste that and check out this channel's performance. This channel's owner has also got an Instagram page. That's cool. Now let's move on to the analytics. So he created his channel back in 2013 and he's got over 9 million views in the past month. This channel's revenue is around 37 grand per month. Let's see how you can do this too. If you check out this channel's summary, every single video has crossed over 200,000 views and his daily average income is $300. If he can do it, why can't you? Let's move in detail about the process. We're going to use YouTube's audio library, which contains thousands of different audio files and music that you can use right on your video, all copyright free. Take your time to find the best music. Put yourself in the place of the viewer and see from the viewer's point. ask this to yourself, if I'm a viewer of this video, what would I expect? This will make you think of the different strategies that attracts like-minded viewers like you. You might have known when it comes to the inspirational type videos, usually there is a spoken word, there is a voice behind these videos, that are used for inspiring people and give them inspiration. Usually it's things about mindset and success, and maybe how to get rich, how to have a better lifestyle, how to have financial freedom. And what it really takes a lot from every successful people. And so you're probably wondering, well, where the heck am I going to get that, and how is it going to be where I don't have any problems with copyright? Well, here's one place that you guys can go. It's over here, at the Internet Archive. This is a huge database of a whole bunch of different files, audio files, video files, software, images and books. There's just millions of different files on this website, and about 90% of it is copyright free. So the first step is to come right up here and click on audio, because we're going to be looking for that spoken word, something that we can place over our video, so people can listen to it. Maybe when they're working out or doing some really hard stuff. I know sometimes, when I go for walks outside in the morning, and I like to listen to motivational stuff while I'm walking and looking around at nature. So let's do this. Click on audio and then come right over here where it says audiobooks and poetry. Go ahead and click on that. That'll bring you over to this page. Now there's quite a few different items here to choose from. Now we want to focus just on audio. So let's try to figure out what do we really want to look for. Well, let's just say this is like a motivational type thing. Maybe you're talking about, how to get rich. A lot of people want success. They listen to these motivational videos because they just want more out of life. Even it could do something about mindset and emotional support. So let's come over here and type in motivational. I'm just using this just for fun, just to give you an example on what this looks like. But as soon as you see results, just make sure to sort by audio. Down here where it says media type, go ahead and put a little check mark right in audio, and that'll sort it just for the audiobooks. And then what you can do from here, you can pick one out. But while preparing this video, I found something that really stood out to me. I went ahead, I typed in the keyword positive affirmations, and I found some pretty good ideas here. I found one that says positive affirmations for bringing good energy. So as soon as I saw that, I'm like, okay, cool. So I was kind of imagining in my mind having these affirmations being called out. As someone was watching the video, they're listening to the music, they're looking at the views of the oceans and stuff like that, and then they can hear the affirmations, and so I thought that would be excellent for this type of video. Now what I did here is, I just clicked on that, and as soon as I do that, that's going to bring me right over here. So let's just go ahead and preview this.
You are always in the right place at the right time. The best and the highest comes to you at every moment.
I think that's really going to be very inspiring. So it's little things like that, you'll never know what you'll find at the Internet Archive. So if you go around, you look or listen to a few audios, you're really not sure yet. Just keep looking around, you're going to find some that really resonate with you, and that's some things that sound really powerful. Alright guys, so the next step is we're going to be editing a quick video. So the one I'm using here is HitFilm Express. So let's create a new project and import the files here. Now you have to drag them here. Now you have to drag them here, to the timeline, one by one. I've got a little couple walking on the beach, I've got my soundtrack, and then I have the uplifting positive affirmations which I'm going to be using on this video, and I'm going to drag them to the timeline right here. How about some workout footage, because this could be a workout video, as well. I know some of you guys are doing it. Let's go ahead and play it.
You are always in the right place at the right time. The best and the highest comes to you at every moment.
Okay, so you guys are getting kind of the vibes there, alright.
You are always in the right place at the right time. The best and the highest comes to you at every moment. You receive everything wonderful that you desire. You are a wonderful person. You grow younger and more beautiful every day. You are successful at everything you do. You love and accept yourself.
This video here doesn't fit with others, so let's drag it and make it bigger. I know the videos are being mismatched with the audio, so all you have to do is arrange the videos in a perfect manner which fits with the audio. Alright, so to extend this even further, you guys will just keep adding video clips and I would extend this just as long as the music goes, or you can add multiple music clips. You can extend this out to maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes long and upload that straight to YouTube. So that's how you guys make the video. I'm going to do my final adjustments and give it a name and export it. Most importantly, you will need to activate HitFilm to remove this watermark. Now export the video and enjoy. Alright guys, that's all for today. Hope you guys get a ton of value from this and I'll see you in the next one.